of that devastating night on 5. About my health, I make sure that I'm warm always. I make sure that when I go out, I make sure that I arrive in the house very early so that I don't get cold. Make sure I put on very warm clothes. At home, I make sure that I'm treating water because I know that I have kids, and when it is raining, around my house, my place, I make sure that it's clean because when we are out there, we get dirty. Also, malaria, I make sure that in my family, I make sure that I
Akete Facebook nyaka yote. Dikeni